Hi, and welcome to Experda, the comprehensive maintenance and monitoring cloud-based solution for your entire SQL Server environment. My name is Rema Orr, and I'm the Head of Research and Development. In this video, I'll provide a brief overview of the 6 maintenance activities offered by Experda and share insights on how to leverage them effectively. Experda supports 6 maintenance options, 4 of which can be configured as scheduled maintenance plans that translate into SQL Server agent jobs or Windows Task Schedule jobs when using SQL Express additions. These scheduled activities include backups, database integrity checks, index optimizations, and update statistics. The 2 additional actions, database shrink and restore operations, are available as manual user-triggered processes. All scheduled maintenance tasks can also be executed ad hoc from the left side menu, whether on individual or multiple databases. Maintenance plans in Experda can be dynamically scheduled, easily standardized using templates for quick deployment across multiple servers, or customized to suit the unique requirements of specific servers. We recommend leveraging maintenance templates for efficient management of larger server environments, as templates streamline configurations and updates across your infrastructure. The backup rule is the most advanced and versatile. It allows for granular database selection by including or excluding databases, or even defining custom groups, such as all databases in availability groups. Backup options include features like encryption, compression, and backup to mirror sites. If you configure a backup plan with full, log, or differential backups, an additional tab is created for detailed setup. For more information, refer to the full video titled Creating a New Backup Rule. Index Optimization Rule. This rule allows template-level database selection, but for server-specific customizations, you can define individual databases on the server level. Options include index rebuilds based on table size, gathering update statistics, partition level adjustments, fill factor settings, and more. Update Statistics Rule. This action gathers updated statistics from your tables, aiding the SQL Server Query Optimizer in generating efficient execution plans. Options include defining table size thresholds, specifying statistical levels, setting sampling percentages, and configuring advanced settings. Database Integrity Check Rule. The database integrity check ensures data accuracy, consistency, and reliability, safeguarding against issues that could affect application performance or decision-making. Options include command-level customization, locking behaviors, data purity checks, and targeted table analysis. Shrink Database Rule. This action, available only as an immediate task, enables you to shrink database and log files to reclaim unused space. Restore operations provide robust options for database recovery. To explore these features in detail, refer to the full video titled Restoring a Database. Ready to maintain your database with ease? Leverage Experda's advanced cloud-based maintenance capabilities to streamline your SQL Server operations. For a deeper dive into each feature, check out the other videos in our maintenance category.